Hello and welcome to the video by TrumpExcel. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I am going to show you how to install the Power Query add-in for Excel 2010 and 2013. Now if you're using Excel 2016, you would already have Power Query in your Excel version as an inbuilt feature. So if you're using Excel 2016 and you go to the data tab, you will see that you have get and transform data. And if you can see this, then you don't need to do anything. You don't need to install Power Query. But if you're using Excel 2010 or 2013, then you need to install Power Query. Now I have Excel 2016 here, but I'll show you the steps you need to take to download and install Power Query. So the first thing you need to do is know what version of Excel you have, whether you have 32-bit or you have 64-bit. So you go to the File tab, and in Account, you have the About Excel button here. And if I click on it, it tells me that I have the 32-bit version of Excel. Now you may have 32 or you may have 64. Just keep a note of it and then go to any of the search engines and type download Power Query add-in. This will give you a Microsoft Power Query result. Open the Microsoft website, and here you would have the option to download the add-in. So you click on download, and then it will ask you the version, and you can see it says 64-bit version and 32-bit version. If I click on this and I click on next, it will bring me here and it will download the add-in. I can see it's downloading here. Once it's downloading, you just need to double click on it and just need to follow the instructions. All the instructions are very clear, and when you have installed it and you open Excel, so if you already have the Excel open, close it and open it again, and you might find the Power Query tab here. In case you do not find the Power Query tab, you will have to activate the add-in. To do that, go to the File tab. Here go to Options. In the Excel Options dialog box, go to Add-ins. And here select COM add-ins and click on Go. And when you do that, you would see that Power Query add-in is listed here. You simply need to check and click OK and restart Excel. And when you do that, you will see that you will have the Power Query tab here. Now, there are only minor differences in Power Query add-in and the get and transform options, but you may see that some of the options are in different tabs or different groups in Power Query tab and in the get and transform option. But in most of the cases, these are the same options. Now, since I have Excel 2016, I am creating this entire course using Excel 2016. But if you have 2010 or the 13 version, you can easily follow and replicate the exact steps that I will show in this video. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Thank you and have a nice day.